press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students. So today in coordinate geometry we shall study how to find the area of a triangle when the coordinates of vertices of a triangle are given. So you know how to find the area of a triangle when the side lengths are known. So the standard formula you have, area of triangle is equal to half base into height. So base is the base length and height is the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base. And you also have studied the Heron's formula, where area is given by area of the triangle is square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is the semi perimeter, that is s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Those things you have learnt. Here we will learn if a, b, c are 3 points and if their coordinates are given, using coordinate values, how to find the area of the triangle. So here you carefully have a look at the diagram. This is ABC is the given triangle, and the vertices of the points, coordinates of the vertices A are x1 y1, B are x2 y2, C are x3 y3. This is the given data. Using this data we have to find the area of this triangle ABC. The method we use here, carefully observe. So what we do is, to find the area of this, there is some construction we have made. Construction is, from A we have drawn AP perpendicular to x-axis, BQ perpendicular to x-axis, this is BP line, and CR perpendicular to x-axis. That means these three are perpendicular lines from the three vertices. So now we have got two trapeziums here, BQPA. We consider this one trapezium. APRC is another trapezium. So we will calculate the area of these two trapeziums. So then we will get the entire area. So trapezium formula, you know, trapezium formula is the sum of two parallel lines. Sum of two parallel lines multiplied by their distance. Sum of two parallel lines multiplied by their distance and divided by 2. So if you have a trapezium like this, this is a trapezium, these two are parallel lines. If this is A, this is B, and this distance is h from here to here, the area of this triangle will be half into A plus B into h. This is the area of trapezium. This you have learnt. So area of trapezium is sum of the parallel sides multiplied by the distance between those two and divided by 2. So this formula we apply to find the area of this trapezium and the second trapezium. Now, so we are getting the entire area above the x-axis, but we want only the triangle ABC area. So therefore we will deduct the area of the trapezium BQRC. We will deduct this area from the total area, so that we will get the triangle area. So now that is how we proceed. So let us carefully note down this diagram, and here you can see this is x1 means x1 y1 means x1 is the horizontal distance, or the distance of this point from the y axis, that is OP. OP is equal to x1. You can see x1 is the distance of this point from the y axis, that is x1, and x2 is this distance, x3 is this distance OR. So y2 is the ordinate of point B, y1 is the ordinate of point A, and y3 is the ordinate of point C. So with this information we shall proceed. So let A x1 y1 comma B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are the coordinates of vertices of triangle ABC. Now, see what we have done. Construction. Draw AP, comma, I will write BQ. This is AP, BQ and CR all perpendicular to x-axis. You draw AP, BQ, CR perpendicular to x-axis. So now, from figure, area of triangle ABC. From figure I will write. From figure, area of triangle ABC equals. So now observe this. I want this area, therefore this first trapezium area I will write like this. Area of trapezium, I will write BQPA. Area BQPA plus, we know that it is a trapezium because these two are parallel. Second one, area APRC. So now we got the total area, this area plus this area, but we don't want the area below BC, so therefore I will deduct this minus area BQRC. Minus area BQRC. So now I will commence from here. Area equals. So now area BQPA, this first one, as per the trapezium formula, we have half into sum of the parallel sides, that is BQ plus PA. Or AP you can write, BQ plus AP into distance between those two is QP. So this is first one, area of BQPA plus second one, area of APRC. Here AP plus half of AP plus CR into distance between those two is PR minus. Now deduction portion, the lower portion, area of this, that is BP, half of BP this one, and last one is CR plus CR, and distance between those two is QR. This is half into this, minus half into this. So now I will take minus 1 by 2, I will take outside, common factor as a common factor. Now BQ plus AP, you can see BQ is Y2 and AP is Y1. So I will write Y2 plus Y1. Y2 plus Y1. You can say QP is X1 minus X2. You can see here X1 minus X2. So QP value I have written here, QP is this distance is X1 minus X2. So therefore I will straight away write X1 minus X2 plus half into AP plus CR. AP is Y1, CR is Y3, Y1 plus Y3, Y1 plus Y3, PR, this distance, PR is X3 minus X1, you can see here, X3 minus X1, S3 minus X1, minus, sorry, I have taken 1 by 2 outside, need not have to write here again. So this is also we have taken outside, BP. So because of this minus, I will put a bracket here, BP is BQ plus CR, sorry, this is BQ plus CR. BQ is Y2 plus CR is Y3, the first one and the last one, plus QR is this X3 minus X2, I have written in the bottom X3 minus X2. So close the bracket. So because of this minus, I have put one more bracket here. I will put it like this and close the bigger bracket. So now this equals 1 by 2 into, so go on multiplying now, Y2 into X1, or I will write X1 Y2. Again, from Y2 you multiply this, you will get X2 Y2. From Y1 now, plus X1 Y1. Always write X plus then Y. It will be easy for simplification. Now X2 Y1 with a minus sign. X2 Y1. Now plus multiply these two with Y1, X3 Y1 and minus X1 Y1 plus, now multiply with Y3 plus X3 Y3 X1 Y3 minus X1 Y3. So we have completed up to this. Now minus value, you put the minus as it is, and put the flower bracket. Multiply these two with Y2, X3 Y2 minus X2 Y2. Now you multiply these two with Y3, that is plus X3 Y3 minus x2 y3 minus x2 y3. Close the lower bracket and then bigger bracket. Now this equals 1 by 2 into, now you remove this bracket also in the next step. So x1 y2 minus x2 y2 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y3. I have not changed anything here. I have copied from here. The signs will change. Minus into plus, this becomes minus x3 y2. Minus into minus plus x2 y2. Plus into minus minus x3 y3. Minus into minus plus x2 y3. Now we close the bracket. Now observe here, x2 y2 with minus value, x2 y2 with plus value get cancelled. x1 y1 with plus value, x1 y1 with minus value get cancelled. x3 y3 with plus value, x3 y3 with minus value gets cancelled. Now I will continue from the top now. So carefully I will write area of triangle ABC will be, so what is remaining I will write 1 by 2 into bracket. You observe here x1 y2 is there, x1 y2. So this is cancelled, this is cancelled, minus x2 y1, x2 y1, this one, plus x3 y1 is there, x3 y1 is there, this is cancelled, this is cancelled, minus x1 y3, x1 y3 plus minus x3 y2, minus x3 y2. These two are cancelled. We are left with x2 y3 plus x2 y3, x2 y3. So this is remaining. Now we have to simplify this. This equals 1 by 2 into, see what you do is, observe here, we have x1, you find another x1 here. So you group those two, x1 y2, I will take this to its adjacent, minus x1 y3, don't change the sign, write it as it is, x1 x1, you group these two, minus x2, one x2 is here, another x2 is here. Now you group those two, minus, first I will write positive value, you can see positive value first I will write, plus this one x2 y3 minus x2 y1. Now x3 values, here is one, here is another one, plus x3 y1 minus x2 y2. So just I have rearranged, that's all. This equals 1 by 2 into, now from these two you take x1 outside, x1 into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3. From these two, you take x2 outside. So, x2 into y1, y3 minus y1. From these two, you take x3. This is x3 y2. x3 y2. This is x3 y2. Sorry. Now, from these three, you take x3 outside. You are left with y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So, area of triangle ABC will be half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y2 x3 into y1 minus y2. So, this is the standard formula for finding the area of a triangle when the coordinates of the point are given. This is in detail given in your textbook also. Side by side you keep the textbook, and with the explanation whatever I have given, try to understand it clearly. So now, please note down this. Now I will take up problems on this. Exercise 7.3, exercise 7.3, question number 1, sub question 1. The question is like this: find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, and 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. So, these are the vertices of the triangle given. We have to find the area. So, answer, let first point be A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, and C 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. Now, coordinates are given. You have to find the area of the triangle by area formula. That means by using coordinates. By area formula, we have area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equals half of So x1 into, you write the formula, x1 into y2 minus y3. It is easy to remember. It is in the cyclic order. That means here we got x1, we will get x2 here. x2. It is y2 is there, we will get y3 here. y1, y3 is there, we will get y1 here. That's all. Plus x3 into y1 becomes, y3 becomes y1, y1 becomes y2. So now we have to substitute the values. You remember, this becomes x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 values. So now area of the triangle equals 1 by 2 into x1. You take from here, x1 is 2. y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3. 0 minus of minus 4. 0 minus of minus 4. You remember this, why this? y2 is 0. Minus is this minus, and y3 value is minus 4. Plus x2 is minus 1, and y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 4, minus y1 is 3, minus 3, plus x3. x3 is 2. y1 minus y2. y1 is 3. y2 is 0. That means 3 minus 0. Close the bracket. So this equals 1 by 2 into minus of minus 4 is plus 4. 2 into 4. And this is, we'll write one more step, minus 1, keep it as it is. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Plus 2 into 3. This is 3. So this is 1 by 2 into 8. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 1 minus 7 is 7. So therefore I will write plus 7. Plus 6. 2 into 3 is 6. This equals 15 plus 2, 21 by 2. 1 by 2 into 21. This equals 10.5. Because it is area, you have to write square units. You should write. So this is the area of the triangle with the coordinates 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2 and minus 4. Now I will go with sub question 2 under question number 1. So there another 3 points are given. You have to find the area of those. Minus 5, minus 1, it is the next question. Minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 5. 3, 5 and 5, 2. 5, 2. This is the next question given. So now I will change this. So let A minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 comma B 3, 5 and C 5, 2. 5, 2. So now area ABC, area triangle ABC, area triangle ABC equals half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Remember, always you should write formula first. It carries marks. Then you make a careful substitution of values. So now this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 value, and this is x3 y3 value. Now area of the triangle ABC is half into x1 is minus 5, y2 minus y3. You can see 5 minus 2 plus x2 is 3, y3 minus y1, 2 minus of minus 1. So 2 minus of minus 1, close the bracket. This is x2 into y2 minus y1. y1 is minus value plus x3. x3 is 5 into y1 minus y2. You see here y1 minus y2, that is minus 1 minus 6 minus 5. Minus 1 minus of plus 5, that is minus 5. Close the bracket. So now 1 by 2 into, so this is minus 5 into 3. 5 minus 2 is 3 plus this is 3 into, this is 3 into 2 minus of minus 1 is 2 plus 1, that is also 3 plus 5 into minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Close the bracket. So this equals half into minus 15 plus 9 minus 21 Note down these things. I will make a small correction. The value given is minus 5 here. That is, this is minus 5. I'm sorry, minus 5. y2, wherever y2 is there, y2 is here. This is minus 5. y2 is minus 5. I will change this line. y2 is minus 5. And y2 is here, minus of minus 5 will get. So with this 1 by 2, now the values will change. minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7 plus 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 3 you will get here, plus this becomes 5 into minus 1, it becomes plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is minus 1 plus 5, you will get 4. 4 because minus 1 minus into minus plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So this equals half into 35. Minus 5 into minus 7 is 35 plus 9 plus 20. So this is 20 plus 35, 55 plus 9, 64 divided by 2 equals 32 square units. So mistakes will happen if we have any, wherever minus is there we have to be very careful, that I have told you repeatedly. So this is so we have completed question number 1, both sub questions. So I will take up the remaining questions in the next class. So thank you all. So these things need a thorough practice. So what you have to do is repeatedly you have to do these problems. You should not think of whether we should write in neat notebook or a rough notebook like that. You write once in the neat notebook, once in the rough notebook, you become thorough yourself. Then you will get confidence in these things. These are of course easy, but you have to follow meticulously, you have to follow, then you will find it easy. Okay. So we shall take up the remaining problems in the next session. So thank you all.